Mastering English, a professional step-by-step guide for beginners to achieve success. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, and mastering it can open doors to personal, academic, and professional success. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you build a strong foundation and achieve fluency in English. Step 1. Set clear goals. Before diving into learning, define your objectives. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? e.g., for work, travel, education, or personal growth. What level of proficiency do I aim to achieve? e.g., basic conversational skills, advanced writing, or fluency. How much time can I dedicate daily or weekly? Setting clear goals will keep you motivated and focused. Step 2. Build a strong foundation. Learn the basics. Start with the alphabet, pronunciation, and basic grammar rules, e.g., sentence structure, verb tenses, and parts of speech. Familiarize yourself with common words and phrases used in everyday conversations. Practice pronunciation. Use online resources like YouTube tutorials or apps like Duolingo and Babbel to practice correct pronunciation. Listen to native speakers and mimic their speech patterns. Expand your vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily and use them in sentences. Focus on high-frequency words and phrases relevant to your goals. Step 3. Develop listening and speaking skills. Listen actively. Watch English movies, TV shows, or podcasts with subtitles. Pay attention to intonation, rhythm, and common expressions. Speak regularly. Practice speaking with native speakers or language partners through platforms like italki, Tandem, or HelloTalk. Record yourself speaking and identify areas for improvement. Join English-speaking communities. Participate in language exchange meetups or online forums like Reddit's RR English Learning. Step 4. Improve reading and writing skills. Read regularly. Start with simple texts like children's books, news articles, or blogs. Gradually move to more complex materials like novels, essays, or professional journals. Write daily. Keep a journal to practice writing about your daily activities, thoughts, or goals. Write emails, essays, or short stories to improve your written expression. Seek feedback. Share your writing with teachers, friends, or online communities for constructive feedback. Step 5. Master grammar and sentence structure. Study grammar rules. Use grammar books or online resources like Grammarly or Purdue. OWL. Focus on tenses, prepositions, conjunctions, and sentence construction. Practice exercises. Complete grammar exercises and quizzes to reinforce your understanding. Use apps like Quizlet or Khan Academy for interactive learning. Step 6. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English. Change the language settings on your phone, computer, and social media to English. Label objects around your home with their English names. Think in English. Try to think and form sentences in English instead of translating from your native language. Travel or study abroad. If possible, visit an English-speaking country to immerse yourself in the language and culture. Step 7. Track your progress. Take regular assessments. Use online tests like the EF-SET or Cambridge English exams to evaluate your progress. Identify areas where you need improvement. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for achieving goals, such as completing a course or having your first fluent conversation. Step 8. Stay consistent and motivated. Create a routine. Dedicate a specific time each day to practice English. Use tools like habit trackers to stay consistent. Stay positive. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Surround yourself with supportive peers or mentors. Explore advanced resources. Explore advanced resources. Once you've mastered the basics, explore advanced materials like business English, academic writing, or specialized vocabulary. Recommended resources apps: Duolingo, Babbel, Memrise, Rosetta Stone. Websites: BBC Learning English, Coursera, Udemy Books. English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Podcasts: The English We Speak, BBC, ESL Pod, Final Thoughts. Mastering English is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and consistent effort. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll gradually build confidence and proficiency in the language. Remember, every small step counts, and with time, you'll achieve the success you desire. Happy learning! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering English. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into advanced conversation techniques to sound like a native speaker. See you there!